It's a nice sunny day and we're headed down Niagara Street in Buffalo. We're going to check out this Ohio Street kayak slash canoe launch. We're going to do some Buffalo River cruising by the old grain mills. Here we are coming into the launch. It's kind of a small park, and the ramp is in need of some upkeep. There's a lot of branches and debris, but you can get in. You see all the debris there. Needs to be cleaned up and maintained a little. But I'll show you later, they just put in a new kayak ramp in, about 100 feet down. A new park just opened. Here we are, we're launching in the Buffalo River. Gonna check out these grain mills. You see in the background the General Mills, where they make the Cheerios and where they make the flour. If you guys like the smell of Cheerios, this is the place to come because you can really smell it. Sometimes you see the guys out there taking a break. Here's that new kayak dock I was telling you about. It's a new park that opened up about 100 feet down. This also needs to be cleaned out. There's a lot of branches in here, but
it is.
You could launch your kayak from here if you don't want to go down the ramp. There's a little 6-inch floating platform. There I am under the old General Mills symbol. There's a skyway in the background. There's a subway station right there. Good view of the skyway. That's all General Mills on the left. It can be pretty choppy in here when it's on a windy day. Just making our way down here underneath the overpass, and we're going to show you some big ships at the Naval Park. That's HSBC on the right. There's a shot of the Naval Park straight ahead. And that's Buffalo Harbor up there. That's about as far as I care to venture on a windy day. I wouldn't want to go out past the harbor entrance. It's kind of choppy for a kayak. Here's a good shot of the battleship. Little Rock. There's a guy that rents the kayaks right by where this battleship is moored. About 50 feet away, there's a kayak rental if you want to rent your kayak if you don't have one. There's a good view of the old moorings where the freighters used to tie up, download the grain or load the grain. The old grain elevators. This building is actually still in use. There's guys in there working. You can hear them. That about winds our trip up. There's just a little Buffalo Harbor tour. Next time we're going to do that urban trail tour. We're going to put the kayaks in down by Harlem, and I guess it's about a 6-mile ride. But this is the Buffalo Harbor kayak tour. Check it out.